A braid and tracks wrapped around it.
Gotcha.
Go ahead and take it off.
You can keep it on. I ain't gonna take it off.
Oh, they pitching me. Yeah, I don't even have a ball on. Oh.
It'll be uncomfortable for about 10 seconds.
Yeah, I ain't never been. I ain't went to jail for traffic. Shit.
In Illinois, a volatile neighborhood dispute rapidly escalates, forcing police to intervene in a chaotic scene, teetering on the edge of violence. What begins as a teenage fight quickly spirals into a high-stakes confrontation when allegations of a firearm surface. The initial moments captured on Bodycam show officers arrive into a whirlwind of accusations and defiance where their first task is to cut through the noise and establish control before the situation can deteriorate further. The officers' immediate, forceful commands, "Get on the ground now," are a textbook example of de-escalation through control. Faced with multiple agitated individuals and the potential for a hidden weapon, their training likely kicked in here. The primary objective is to stop all movement, create distance, and give them a crucial window to assess the threats. This decisive action is fundamental to preventing a multi-person brawl from becoming a deadly force encounter. The introduction of a gun into the equation marks a critical turning point. A woman's response when confronted is telling. She first denies having a weapon, then defensively adds, "And I got gun license if I did." Her words betray a sense of both guilt and justification. This statement immediately signals to the officers that the threat is credible, shifting their investigation from a simple battery to a potential felony weapons offense.
Hey! Tell my neighbor go get on him. Don't move, guys. Who jumped you in my daughter?
Hook her too. Put her in cuffs. Pants. Hey, tan pants, cuffs.
Blue jeans too.
Tan pants, go.
Blue jeans too. You mean? This my shit. Let
Stop.
me go. Hey, Corey. Look at my phone.
You're gonna go to
Okay, stop. I don't need to go no front of the house right here.
the police car.
Why?
Because I told you to.
Hey. Okay, you
Acting a fool.
You slam my I was correcting my kids. What you talking about? Ain't no something. Wait. Micaiah, I told you to calm the down. Micaiah!
As officers begin to separate the parties, they are met with a tangled web of conflicting stories. It becomes clear this incident stems from a mother's attempt to defend her children who were allegedly being jumped. What's crucial to note is how the line between protective parental instinct and criminal action has become dangerously blurred. The challenge for law enforcement is to piece together a coherent timeline from highly emotional and biased accounts.
Yeah,
One out of 11 tonight.
What do you have, Pat? I've been running car to car.
So witnesses said leather jacket and blue jeans was saying call 911 while all this other scrap with everybody. I roll up. What's his name? Erwin was like pushing everybody away. Finally get some people calmed down. Sounds like mom and the two sons. Two sons were coming home from school.
They run around punching everybody. They punch me.
The taller lady that's in custody, the older lady, she was telling everybody that they were going to jump the two boys.
Is that after the gun was talked about?
I don't know. She said she had.
Here, the situation takes a dramatic turn. A witness provides a specific damning allegation. A young man ran into a nearby house, retrieved a firearm, and handed it to his mother, who then pointed it at another person. This transforms the investigation, providing officers with a clear narrative of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. The focus now shifts from crowd control to a criminal investigation and locating the firearm.
She said she had a gun?
Yeah. She said she has a license for it and everything.
Still can't be going around.
Yeah.
The alleged weapon is soon discovered not on a person but inside a U-Haul truck parked at the scene. This discovery complicates the question of possession. The woman who rented the vehicle immediately denies knowledge of the gun, stating, "I didn't realize that was in there. It's not mine." It's plausible that this is a predictable attempt to deflect criminal liability, but for officers, the weapon's presence corroborates the witness statements.
Anderson Manufacturing.
1102.
Yeah, she over there. I ain't had none. I just came out the house.
You get it?
Be able to take the whole lower and upper off.
Okay.
Have we identified her? She been ran through anything?
I did not run her through anything. Nobody's ran her through anything. Just waiting for somebody. She's 14, so.
All right.
I'm gonna go get on. Okay.
That's your mom, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Your mom is the one with the bonnet on?
Yeah.
It's 9. Okay. When you went inside,
Okay.
next
So
thing you know, your daughter's fighting.
Banged on the door. All I know is somebody banged on the door.
the gun is supposed to be in a pink hoodie.
Wrap him in a pink sweatshirt.
All right, give me just a sec, okay? I need you to swing your legs. You hot? Move on.
So in regards
Mom
to
is not going to be able to come get him.
ownership
She's sending
of
her
the gun.
boyfriend over to come
Can't.
get him.
They said they don't know who's. They said they know whose it is and they have a gun card. But then they wouldn't tell me who it was.
I
And
got
she
one
said
of
you
mine.
can arrest me for it if you want.
back there in that part.
But I don't have. Because that it was just in there. She played games like she didn't initially know what was
Which one
going
is she?
on. Caitlin, the
reason I put
white girl with the red hair.
So she's the one that has the U-Haul rented,
Yes.
and the gun is in the back of there.
Yes.
She's not giving you the owner of the gun.
She said it's not registered for her, but she has a license. She has a permit.
Still don't matter.
But that's all she would tell us. She supposedly had a handgun, but they think they took it back into the house, which is the blue house. And she said that they said that she was pointing at the
Did
kids.
anybody see this gun out, or was it just in the U-Haul?
They told us they put the gun in the U-Haul, so we went over there to look, and we found
She told me I
this.
can look in the U-Haul for a gun. And then she did that,
there
open
was
it
a
up.
gun in there.
And she's like, oh. I didn't realize that was in there. It's not mine.
Sorry. Who said that it was in the U-Haul? Who said that there was a gun in the U-Haul?
Pressed. Who said it was in the U-Haul?
I'm not sure.
What's up?
Who said the gun was in the U-Haul?
Lady who got appointed at her.
She just told me that she did bring out a 9, but it's back in the house. She'll tell us where it
Yes,
is.
I did.
So,
Okay, so
so
But
this
who
I don't
told
think
us
had
that there was a gun in the U-Haul?
anything to do with it.
I think it was Juan. Juan was talking to Smith, the girl in the black. I mean, it's us. And that's what
That's just a guy who cuts and stuff like that.
Sorry.
victim too, right? Victim slash suspect, whatever. Who we haven't.
So they were all fighting when we got here.
Yeah.
They were all fighting when we got here. She is 14.
She's 14. This is her mom right here.
This is her mom.
Yes.
And then her two sons.
One's in the car up here, and then the other one's in the car back there. Everybody has like somebody.
It sounds like the other group showed up to jump her kids.
And there was another group that showed up too of boys, and they left.
Yeah.
We're transporting.
Understand. Does she have a CCL or a Ford? You know?
because at the end of the day, where was y'all after school anyway? And I was in the back of the school like I normally be.
Someone did? I don't know. Can you get it for me?
What you say?
Do you have a Ford card?
Yes, I do. It's in my house. I can go get it.
Sorry.
Or I can tell you.
Yes. I gotta tag the other one.
I'll go with you. That wasn't nothing.
So you got someone who can take care of your kids?
The culmination of the on-scene investigation is the mother's arrest. When informed she is being charged with weapons offenses and aggravated assault, her surprise suggests a profound misunderstanding of the legal consequences. The officer's calm explanation of the Illinois no bond policy that she will be held until seeing a judge serves as a stark dose of reality. The decision to involve a firearm ultimately sealed her fate.
No bond. It was loaded.
It's no bond.
There's no bond anymore. The state of Illinois got rid of bonds. So everything you get arrested for is no bond. You got to see a judge in the morning.
In the morning?
It ain't no, it's not till Monday morning.
Yeah, till Monday morning. Today's Friday. Have a seat real quick.
What are you saying? Can I talk to another officer? You is a little snooty.
Someone want to step with her real quick?
Officer Wells, can you please stand right here?
As the primary suspect is prepared for transport, officers continue to corroborate the story that her son was the one who retrieved the gun from the house. This detail underscores the tragic dynamic of the incident. A family's response to a conflict escalated it from a fist fight to a serious crime. The big question is, what happens next for a family now fractured by a single life-altering decision?
Well, I don't know.
They were
Everybody just told me that they were fighting.
There was a crowd.
Battery and mob action goes in their job.
So I might just go
So
battle
this
action
one,
on her.
I guess I give you battery and mob action on this one.
Yeah, so that's her.
All right, how about, hon? He's going to switch your handcuffs out, okay? Nothing stuffed in your bra or anything like that?
No. I don't even think I got a bra on.
Okay.
Anything up here, ma'am?
No,
Yes.
you can take it off.
It's fine, I believe you, but you do a scan out there, okay?
No, I'm just saying you can take it off if you need to. It's a braid and tracks wrapped around it.
Gotcha.
Go ahead and take it off.
You can keep it on. I ain't going to take your hand. I ain't going to take it off.
Oh, they pitching me. Yeah, I don't even have a bra on. Oh.
It'll be uncomfortable for about 10 seconds
Yeah, I
here.
ain't never been. I ain't went to jail for traffic. Shit. I ain't used to this. Oh.
So he's got 2 sets, so it'll kind of give you a little more.
2 sets on what?
2 sets of
You'll have
handcuffs.
a lot more room, it'll be much better.
Like you're not 2 on top of each other, there's 2 chained together, so it gives you more space.
Oh. This height.
So get about 2 seconds. And get them off.
Ooh, whatever you just did, that hurt. Mm-hmm. Ooh, my shoulder. Ooh. Can you just like push my shoulder up a little bit?
What do you mean?
Like, ooh.
Forward?
Yeah. It's just this one.
Alright, so like we said, you have nothing in anywhere, pockets, nothing like that? Just $600 on your back. You might need it, but...
Yeah, that got $50 on there.
Not right now, not right now. Okay, we're gonna go right here in the back, alright?
They charged her with weapons offenses and aggravated assault. Great job on these officers' behalf for showing up on time before things escalated to a worse situation. Do you think the mother would have continued to make a bad decision of getting involved physically in this altercation until something detrimental would have happened if the cops didn't show up? Thanks for watching, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.